Are you curious about title loans but don't know where to start? Here's what you need to know about car title loans. A title loan, also known as a car title loan, is a secured short-term loan that uses your vehicle's title as collateral to borrow money. In some cases, up to $15,000 based on the value of your vehicle. Here's what that means. Secured loans, like title loans, are a way to borrow money by using something of value to put down as collateral. Usually, the lender holds on to the item in case you can't pay the loan back. A common misconception about title loans is that your car is taken as collateral upon approval. However, your car's title is used as collateral, not the vehicle itself. So you keep driving your vehicle while you pay the loan off. So who uses title loans and for what? The answers may surprise you. Millions of Americans turn to title loans every year for a variety of reasons, but the most common use is for emergency expenses you couldn't otherwise pay for. This could be urgent home or car repairs, overdue bills that are higher than expected, trips to the emergency room or veterinary office, unexpected emergency travel expenses. All of these are common reasons people apply for title loans. This lending option exists to help those in dire financial need when life throws them a curveball their savings can't handle. The best part? Anyone can apply no matter their credit history and even if they have bad credit. Are you in need of urgent financial assistance? A title loan may be a solution for you. All you need to qualify is the lien-free title to your vehicle, a photo ID, and the vehicle itself for inspection. That's it. In most cases, you can qualify in as little as 30 minutes and have your loan the very same day or next business day. If the emergency can't wait, neither can you. Get started today. Be sure to like and share our videos, leave a comment, and click the subscribe button for more helpful videos coming soon.